In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect a domain you already own to your Shopify store, so your customers can find you at your own custom web address. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store. From there, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage products, orders, and all your store settings. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, because the domain you connect will only apply to the store you're currently in. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. This will open a page with all the different areas you can configure for your store, like payments, checkout, and more. For domains, we're interested in the section specifically dedicated to how customers reach your site. In the Settings area, find and click on Domains. This page shows you all the domains currently connected to your Shopify store, including your default Shopify domain. This is where you'll add the domain you purchased from a third-party provider, like a domain registrar. On the Domains page, you'll see an option that says Connect Existing. Go ahead and click on that. This tells Shopify that you already own a domain somewhere else, and you just want to point it to your Shopify store rather than buying a new one directly from Shopify. You'll now see a field where you can type in your domain URL. Enter the full domain name you own, for example, yourstore.com, without any extra spaces. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears in your domain provider's account, because even a small typo will prevent the connection from working correctly. Once you've entered the domain, click on Next. Shopify will then check what it can about that domain and guide you on what needs to be updated. At this stage, you've told Shopify which domain you want to use, but it's not fully connected yet. After the domain is added, you'll see instructions from Shopify about the DNS records you need to configure with your domain provider. This usually means updating the A record and C name record in your domain's DNS settings to point to Shopify. Log into your domain registrar, find the DNS or domain management section, and add or edit the records exactly as Shopify specifies. When you're done, return to the domain section in Shopify and click to verify the records. It might take a little time for DNS changes to propagate, but once verified, your domain will be successfully connected